Alfa Romeo, one of the most iconic car brands in the world. If you've ever dreamed of owning one, you've probably heard all kinds of opinions. Some say they're unreliable, while others swear by their performance and charm. But what's the truth? Are they worth the investment? Based on my personal experience, I'll break down everything you need to know about owning an Alfa Romeo. From the best models to the major pitfalls, this is your ultimate guide. Top Alfa Romeo models to consider. If you're in the market for an Alfa Romeo, these are some of the best options to look at. Alfa 159, a solid choice with great design and engineering. Alfa 156, one of the best classic models, offering both style and reliability. Alfa 4C, a stunning sports car for those who want performance and uniqueness. Giulia, a modern Alfa with German-level build quality and thrilling driving dynamics. Stelvio, a high-performance SUV that brings Italian flair to the segment. The newer the Alfa, the better the engineering. If you're looking for the best balance of reliability and fun, the last-generation Alfa 156 or the Alfa 159 are excellent choices. Newer models have also improved significantly. The reliability factor. One of the biggest concerns about Alfa Romeos is reliability. The real turning point came in 2006. After this year, Alfa Romeo improved its build quality and electronics to near German levels. While small issues may arise, they're rarely catastrophic. Regular servicing will keep these cars running smoothly. Engineering and maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, modern Alfa Romeos are not overly complex to maintain. If you're comfortable with standard tools like sockets, spanners, and Allen keys, basic maintenance isn't too challenging. Here's what you need to know. Routine maintenance. Oil changes, brake pad replacements, and fluid top-ups are straightforward. Common issues. Some minor quirks exist, such as sensitive brake light circuits and occasional fuel gauge errors. However, these can be easily managed. Cooling system maintenance. Using K-Seal treatment annually helps prevent head gasket damage. Oil additives. Using MBL8 molybdenum copper additive every third oil change keeps the engine running smoothly. Major pitfalls to avoid. 1. Never buy an Alfa with Celespeed transmission. This is the single most important rule. The Celespeed automated manual transmission is notorious for its high failure rate and insanely expensive repairs. Even though it's based on Ferrari's system, it doesn't hold up well in an Alfa. If you're buying an Alfa, get a manual transmission. It's the best way to enjoy the driving experience and avoid costly issues. 2. Owning an Alfa requires care and attention. Unlike a Toyota or Honda, an Alfa Romeo demands regular checkups. Owning one means checking the oil and coolant levels frequently, inspecting for minor issues and addressing them early, cleaning and maintaining it regularly to keep it in top shape. If you're willing to stay on top of maintenance, an Alfa Romeo can be surprisingly affordable and reliable. Thanks to online communities, you can always find guidance and solutions for any problems. 3rd, timing belt changes on V6 models. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for V6 Alfa Romeos is the cam belt replacement. This needs to be done every 100,000 kilometers, but it's a necessary investment to keep the engine running properly. In New Zealand, this costs around $1,200, but you can often find better deals. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Alfa 159 2.2-liter engine is a great choice. It has a cam chain instead of a cam bolt, meaning less frequent servicing, usually every 250,000 kilometers. Why Alfa Romeos are special. To truly appreciate Alfa Romeo, you need to understand its heritage. The brand is a contemporary of Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. However, unlike these luxury brands, Alfa Romeo offers affordable high-performance cars. The Mito and Giulietta provide a luxury experience at a reasonable price. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is essentially a Ferrari-powered sports sedan. The Stelvio SUV, while not my personal favorite, competes with high-end European SUVs. Alfa Romeos are also rare. Most models are not mass-produced, making them unique compared to mainstream cars. They offer luxury, style, and performance at a fraction of the cost of their German counterparts. So, is owning an Alfa Romeo worth it? Absolutely, if you know what you're getting into. If you're passionate about cars and willing to put in a little effort, an Alfa Romeo can be one of the most rewarding vehicles to own. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
What are the most reliable GMC models in 2024? If you're searching for a dependable vehicle, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 most reliable GMC models available today. From spacious SUVs to cutting-edge electric vehicles, these GMCs stand out for their longevity, safety, and impressive design. Stick around to find out which one might be your perfect match. Number 1. 2024 GMC Terrain. Let's start with the 2024 GMC Terrain, a compact SUV that balances practicality and reliability. Launched in 2010 as a mid-size crossover, the Terrain was revamped into a compact SUV in 2018 with bold, modern styling that stands out among the competition. While its engine might not be the most powerful, it's perfect for everyday driving, especially in urban environments. What makes the Terrain shine is its stellar 88 out of 100 reliability score from J.D. Power, placing it among the top-rated vehicles in the GMC lineup. It's not only reliable but also affordable, with an average yearly maintenance cost of $558. With no major recurring issues reported and just one minor recall concerning door strikers, the Terrain is an excellent choice for those seeking a low-maintenance, reliable SUV. Number 2. 2024 GMC Acadia. Next up is the 2024 GMC Acadia, which scores 84 out of 100 for reliability. The Acadia, originally a full-size SUV when it debuted in 2007, downsized to a mid-size model in 2017 and has been a family favorite ever since. The 2024 Acadia comes with impressive styling and a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine, offering more power than its Chevrolet Traverse counterpart. It's available with 4-wheel drive, making it versatile for both off-road adventures and family road trips. Despite its reliability rating, the Acadia's average yearly repair cost is higher than some competitors at $734. However, the model doesn't suffer from frequent issues, with the most common problem being a rare transmission failure in older models. The Acadia's overall reliability and performance make it a strong contender for families looking for a trustworthy mid-size SUV. Number 3. 2024 GMC Yukon. Moving on to the 2024 GMC Yukon, this full-size SUV is a true powerhouse, offering both rugged durability and luxury. The Yukon has been a popular choice since its introduction in 1991, and the 2024 model keeps that legacy alive with its impressive design and engine options, including a 5.3-liter V8 and a turbo diesel option. The Yukon scores 80 out of 100 for reliability, just shy of the great category, and offers a lower-than-average annual maintenance cost of $747. While the Yukon has no significant mechanical issues, some owners have reported minor cosmetic concerns, such as cracking dashboards and broken door handles. Despite these minor flaws, the Yukon remains a favorite for those in need of a reliable, spacious SUV that can handle heavy-duty tasks while offering a premium ride. Number 4. 2024 GMC Yukon XL. For those seeking even more space, the 2024 GMC Yukon XL is essentially an extended version of the Yukon. With 15 additional inches in length, the Yukon XL is ideal for larger families or anyone needing extra cargo space. Although it hasn't been specifically rated for reliability in 2024, the Yukon XL shares most of its components with the regular Yukon, suggesting a similar reliability score. The main difference comes down to cost, both in terms of maintenance and purchase price. The Yukon XL has a higher average yearly maintenance cost of $934, but it offers the same engine options and overall driving experience as the Yukon. If space is a top priority, the Yukon XL is a reliable and roomy choice. Number 5. 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV. Finally, we can't forget the 2024 GMC Hummer EV SUV. Reviving the iconic Hummer name, this all-electric SUV is a technological marvel. With up to 830 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque, the Hummer EV is not only powerful, but also environmentally friendly. However, its reliability hasn't been thoroughly rated due to its recent release and limited ownership data. Early reviews from Edmunds give it a solid score of 7.9 out of 10, but since it's still new to the market, its long-term reliability remains to be seen. That said, the absence of major complaints so far suggests that the Hummer EV could be a reliable choice for those looking to combine performance with sustainability. In conclusion, GMC continues to offer some of the most reliable vehicles on the market in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more vehicle insights. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.